Hello! Oh my gosh! Look at that! She's laughing.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Ito na ang aking order. Good morning, guys! Say, good morning, everyone! Dito ba? Hello? Good morning, everyone! Morning, everyone! Kagigising lang po ni Ellie. Ay, grabe yung mata, oh. Mamaya pa, pupunta kami ng Target. Mag-work muna ako, tapos mag-gym, tapos imimit ko sila ng daddy niya sa may Target. Kasi bibili kami ng diaper ni Ellie. So, we bought a diaper. Hala. We bought a diaper from Sam's Club and we didn't like it. Yun sabi niya kasi cheap nga daw, mura daw. Eh, madaming diaper kasi makakamura kami. Kaso, hindi talaga siya maganda, guys. Kaya i-return namin. Yung diaper na nabili namin, number 2 siya. Kasya pa naman sa kanya yung number 2, pero ngayon bibili na namin number 3. Para ano na sa kanya, kasi medyo masikip na eh. So, ang gagawin namin, i-return namin yun. Kasi nga, every time na umiihi siya, kumbaga grabe, sobrang bigat talaga ng diaper. Tapos alam mo yung parang foam, di ba? Parang may mga foam yan sa loob. Parang na lumalabas. It's not soft, yeah.
Millie Moon is actually like soft on her skin.
So, we use Millie Moon for her right now. Kasi we used to buy the Healthy Baby, but we just don't like the style, the back part, because it's too loose. So every time she poop, it comes out. So like of course your baby moves a lot. So every time they move, and if they have a lot of poop in their diaper, it will come out in their diaper. Oh, are you so sleepy? Mommy gonna go to work, Lalab. I'm gonna see you later.
What are you doing? Who is that? Is that Eliana?
Is that Eliana?
What are you doing?
You look like Dada. Look at you. Yeah, you look like Dada.
What are you doing?
Okay. I'm gonna go to work na. Hi guys! So, tapos na ako mag-work guys. And tapos na rin akong mag-gym. Nandito ako ngayon sa gym. Katatas ko lang mag-gym. Hindi pala ako makakapunta ng Target ngayon. Hindi kayo makakapunta kasi nagyaya yung friend namin na kakain sa labas. So, kakain kami sa labas guys. Kasama sila Jen at Kevin. And then, diretso na ako sa bahay. And then, saka kami aalis. So, baka mag-Japanese restaurant kami ngayon. And kasi nag-crave kami sa ramen. So sabi ko, try natin mag-ramen kung nakapunta na ba sila doon sa isang restaurant na pinupuntahan namin na may masarap na ramen. So, yun. So, we'll see you later! Hi, pretty girl! Sa bahay na ako, guys. Oh, ang lamig sa bahay, sa loob. Init kasi sa labas eh. Hi! Kiss mo muna si mami. Kiss mo na. I love you. Hi, Ariana! Hi, baby ko! Bakit naghilak-hilak ikaw? Daddy says you keep crying. And Daddy says you keep crying. Yeah. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Hi! Hi! Oh, ito mo, baby. Hello, mo, baby ko. Ay, sus! Oh, wow. Your belly is full. Did she just eat?
Yeah.
She just ate?
Not long ago.
Dili? Bagong gising. Come here. Allah, look at your diaper. Ang daddy mo talaga pag mag-diaper eh. Tignan mo talaga ang daddy mo pag Ano naman oh, ang ginawa ng daddy niya pag mag-diaper. Talaga ang daddy mo, no? Eliana Pot. Eliana Pot. Eliana Pot. Hi, Eliana. Eliana. Ang bigat mo na. Noong nakaraan, tinimbang namin siya. 12 pounds siya, guys. Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ilang kilo na naman siya. Tanggalin natin ito, babe. Hindi ko alam kung ilang kilo siya. Hi! Gusto niyo boses kay, hi! Can you say mama? Is it Dada? Dada na kating. Can you do that? Huh?
Eliana. Dada.
yung bunga nga.
Did Dada take care of you all day?
Yeah.
Did you get all your meals? Yeah.
Yeah, she's heavy.
Did you get all your meals in?
I bet you she pooped already.
She probably did a little bit.
Yeah.
It's about time for her to be changed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You say hi, everyone. We're gonna go to Caponara. You need to behave there, okay? Ha? You need to behave. Nakatingin siya sa daddy niya. Where's Dada? Pero mo yung... Look at her mouth.
She's like...
Okay guys, palitan muna natin ng diaper si Eliana. Eliana Pot. Hi guys! Nilagyan ko siya ng headband. Oh, ang cute-cute naman yun. Ang cute-cute naman yun. Ang cute naman yun. Ako, gigil ka, oh. Hi! Hindi mo talaga kamukha si Mami. Ang ilong lang ata nakuha mo kay Mami at ang pisngi, no? Ha? Nakuha mo ba ang ilong ni Mami? Let's see. Can you say Mama? Ako ang Miss Rachel niya. Eh, bawal man siya Miss Rachel pa. Some people says you should do the Miss Rachel to her. I'm her Miss Rachel. I'm her Miss Rachel. Ako ang Miss Rachel niya. Hi, Eliana. Hi. Say hi to everyone. Hi, everyone. We're gonna go first. Mag-ano muna kami. Mag-ikot-ikot kami. Baka... Kasi naantay pa namin yung friend namin. So, baka mamaya pa sila. Kaya sabi ni Travis, mag-ikot-ikot muna kami sa Target. Or, may i-return din kasi kami. Look, hindi kasi to kasya sa kanya. Ito binili ko. Ayan o. Ay, ang cute naman. Let's try nga. Let's try nga, baby. Ayaw ni Travis kasi hindi daw saglit lang. Ala, gusto na mag-abot. Oo, gusto nang abutin. O, sige, kunin mo. Marunong ka na. Tignan mo, oh. Marunong na. Wala ka pang ano, babe. Mag-performance ka pa lang. Huwag ka muna sanang magkulit, no? Kabul-habul agad sa'yo si Mami at Dada. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Babe, can you try to put this in her face? I don't wanna hit her, ano. Dali. We'll just check. Because if not, I'm gonna return it.
This isn't gonna work.
Ayaw talaga yung daddy. Oh, maybe it will work. See?
Only if you have a headband on.
Hi! Oh, look at that. Ang cute naman. Dali, take a picture, babe. Take a picture. Hi! What's ang ilong?
I mean, you could keep it, but you'll have to only use it with a headband. It won't stay without one.
Yeah. Do you want to return this or not?
I don't think you're going to use it.
Yeah, $6 pa naman siyang bili ko, guys. Ayaw mo na, ayaw. Wow, hindi umiyak ka. Wait lang. Okay. Hi! Okay, guys. Alis na kami. We'll see you later po. Bye-bye! Ay! Ang kulit na talaga eh. Bye-bye, guys! Hi, Eliana! Nasa Target kami, guys.
What you doing?
Hi, baby.
Oh, is Daddy getting you?
Yeah.
Here we go. You got what you need?
Nasa Target tayo, guys. Si Ellie. Ang laagan. Ang laagan. Nireturn namin yung diaper sa Sam's Club. Tapos ngayon, bibili naman kami ng diaper niya talaga dito sa Target.
Ooh, nice and cherry.
Oh, it's nice. Mga ano, cover up ba tawag dyan? Dito tayo sa mga swimsuit. Tignan natin mga presyo. Diba? $25. Short lang yan. Ito yung mga brand na gusto ko, guys. So, Wild Fable.
You want a pool?
Bakit may clearance ba ngayon? Ito yung mga ano. Ito oh, clearance. Oh, look, babe. In shorts. Gusto ko to eh. I like this brand, babe. Wild Fable. Yeah, they have here. Babe, can I check here? Pag yan si Travis kasama ko, magmadali agad yan siya. Ayaw niya yung... Oh. Ganito yung mga ano ko, guys, eh. Shorts. Oh, wow. They have this one, too. Kasi medyo mura lang siya. Hi! Hi, Lala! Laagan! Ang laagan. Hi!
She's like death gripping my thumbs.
Let's see here.
Yeah. Are you holding my thumbs? Let's go look at the baby stuff.
Okay. Dami din nilang dress. Ang cute ng mga dress, guys. Pang summer.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Is that you? Yeah, is that crazy? Who is that?
Okay guys, nakabili na kami ng diaper. Number 3 na yung binili namin. Aalis kami agad kasi paparating na yung kaibigan namin sa restaurant. So, kailangan pa din si Ellie sa parking lot. Buti na talaga, no? Yun lang din yung kagandahan ng breastfeeding, ma'am. Di ka na magtimpla-timpla. Tapos after ko siya padidein. And look at you!
She's like, I just want to look at everything.
Yeah! Oh, look at you, Eliana. Oh, nakadila.
That's the CRV
po.
hybrid.
You want? Oh, nakadila po. Oh, look at her tongue. Oh, wow! Oh, wow!
You just want to sit back here?
Yeah, I can.
Because it's tinted?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys. Dito kami
You can see
kakain.
a parking spot.
Yeah, grabe. Oh, punong-puno yung parking lot nila dito. Na kami kakain sa Caponara Ramen.
I don't
Sarap
know
ng
if
ramen
they're
nila
even
dyan.
here, but we need to probably go in and get a spot.
Yeah. Is that Jen's car?
Looks kind of like it.
I don't think so.
I'm gonna park right here.
Yeah.
Do you want me to walk in to see
To see if
how
it's
long it's gonna
okay.
be? Here, you
Tulog
hang
yun.
out right here. Hey, lock the door though.
Gusto niya lang. I can't, babe! Kasi walang lakang to yun sa unahan lang. Sabi niya, pag kami lang doon naiwan, kailangan ilak ang door. Security first. Ganyan talaga pag pulis ang tatay. Ang asawa, no? Tulog ang bebe. Oy. Hawak-hawak niya pa rin, no? This is the best, ano guys. I think, worth it ang bili ko nito. Sa Amazon to siya. Worth it ang bili ko niyan kasi gustong-gusto niyang gamitin to pag nagngangat-ngat siya. Inaano niya talaga, pinapanggigilan niya.
The phone has been connected.
Ay, kaluoy naman ang baby ko. Oy. Ganyan ka matulog na kasi mangot. Kasi mangot ang bebe ah. Anong puno yung ano nila? Ang parking lot din ito. Busy na area. Wells Fargo. Ito ang Wells Fargo. Di ba may call center sa Pilipinas na Wells Fargo? So, antayin muna namin guys ang aming mga friend. At kami ay kakain na. Tulog pa din. Napasok kami sa loob guys. 30 minutes daw. Ang pag-aantay.
Like, as long as whenever there's a table.
You just got here?
Yeah.
Okay. Doon na yung mga kasama
I'll be
namin.
right back.
Hello, tulog na tulog si Eli.
If we're gonna wait or not. We have to be inside if we're gonna wait though.
Yeah.
You can look at their menu while we're inside. Don't wait.
Tignan nyo guys, tinape ni Travis yung laruan. Yung white tape nila. Dito tayo sa Caponara Ramen. Sarap ramen nila dito. Ewan ko, para sa akin, masarap ramen nila. Hello! I don't know. Oh yeah, I feel like there's a lot of Filipino here. Look at that. May mga pictures, oh. Okay guys, ito yung menu. Caponara ramen. So, hindi natin. Ito yung ramen nila. Ito yung ramen nila. Ito yung gusto ko, tonkatsu.
I think
I like the tonkatsu. Dami na iba-iba, oh.
I know what I'm getting.
Oh, puro.
I'm getting the chicken katsu curry. It was a Japanese favorite of mine when I lived there. So good.
Tulog pa din siya, grabe. Kahit maingay dito. Daming tao dito, guys. Okay, guys, we're good. Order na kami. Na-order ni
I was at
Travis.
Coco's like 3 times a week.
Favorite niya. What is that? House salad? Ginger.
I think it's ginger.
Ginger salad. Ito nga pala yung address, guys. Kung gusto niyo pumunta dito. Masarap ramen nila para sa akin. Ay, gising na ang baby ko. Gising na yan. Gising na ikaw. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Are you awake now? Are you awake now, Lala? You can sleep more. It's okay. And I order ni Travis. That's big. Look at that plate. That's really big. Look at that. That's a big plate. Can you eat that, babe?
I can.
Oh my God. That's a big plate. Laki din ng bowl ni Kevin. And this is, what is this? Onion?
Pickled onion.
Pickled onion. Rice, tapos yung parang...
You remember when we were in Japan?
Yeah.
I would take all of them off of the Coco's.
Yeah, the cocoa
I would
curry.
just dump them on my plate.
I remember you farted there.
Oh yeah.
Was loud.
It wasn't me though.
Ito na ang aking order. Grabe, ang laki oh. Meron tayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan eh.
Exactly.
May egg, tapos merong seaweed. That's it, guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Naubos na. We're gonna go home soon. Gonna go home soon, guys.
What's that?
Pauwi na kami.
What's that?
Look at her, she's looking.
See you follow my finger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ang kulit na magama, oh. Uy, Travis! Tuwan-tuwa din sila. Tuwan-tuwa din ng anak, oh. Tuwan-tuwa din siya, eh.
She likes it.
Yeah, tuwan-tuwa din.
You have to unlock the door.
Kulit nito, oh, ni Travis. Mahal na mahal ang anak, oh. Kaya daddy's girl, eh. Oh, dali na. Bukas na yan. It's open. Hi!
You have the ano.
Hello! Oh my gosh! Look at that! She's laughing.
Is that fun?
Oh my gosh! Wait, come on. They're waiting. Hi guys, pupunta kami sa DQ. Mag-ice cream kami. Gusto ng kasama namin ng dessert. Ito yung DQ na pinupuntahan namin. Tapos sa kami uwi. Dito na tayo sa DQ. Did they park here?
don't see me.
Yeah, just call them. Ito lang kasi malapit sa amin, guys, eh. Okay, guys. Palubot na ang aking phone. So, ayun lang ang ating vlog for today. Naantay pa rin namin sila. Tapos mag-order kami ng ice cream. Baka kumain kami dito ng ice cream. So, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!